I tried absolutely everything to make money online. I did surveys, I did budget tricks, free trainings, you name it, I tried it. But guess what? Nothing worked. I stayed broke and I stayed overwhelmed, and then I started to think maybe, just maybe, it was me. But it wasn't me, and it's probably not you either. There's just something that no one talks about. And once I learned it, I had my first $900 day. Let me show you exactly what changed. I was doing too much, and that led to nothing. I thought I was doing all the things. I was watching the videos, I was trying all the side hustle hacks, I was posting random content and just hoping someone would click. But none of it ever turned out to be real income. I felt like I was working all of the time, but for what? Here's what no one told me. A free system will help you learn, but a real system will help you earn. When I was stuck, I was soaking up tips from everywhere. I was doing TikTok, YouTube, Facebook groups, but I didn't have a system. I didn't have a plan, and I didn't have a product. I was just guessing, and that's why I stayed stuck. All it took was one system, and it changed it all. When I found the system that I use now, everything changed. It gave me 4 already done for you digital products. It let me earn 100% profit. It was step-by-step training, and it had real mentorship. There's no guessing, no fluff, and absolutely no pressure. It showed me how to build something real, even as a beginner. And my first $900 day, it came from that system. 2 hours a day, and that's it. I've got 5 kids, one with special needs, and I have a full plate already. But this, it only takes me about 2 hours a day. And those 2 hours, they're 100% worth it because I am building something for me, not for someone else, not for someone else's company, but for me. I started with absolutely no followers, ground zero, no clue what I was doing. But I had a reason and I had my phone. That was enough. That's all I needed. If you've ever thought, I don't know where to start, or I've tried everything and nothing works, you are not alone, my friends. So listen to me. If you are tired of that struggle and waiting for something to change, this is your sign. I linked the same free blueprint that I follow right below this video. I'll show you exactly how I started making income online with my phone, Wi-Fi, with no experience and absolutely no audience. If I can do this, you can too. Let's build something real.